When you create a new release, the interface, of course, looks a bit different. For now, I will start with an empty job. I will click on Add an Artifact, and I will select the build we just configured. So this one. I don't care about the alias, so I will leave the same name. Add. Then I will configure a trigger so that whenever a build of this type completes, this continuous delivery pipeline starts automatically. You can also configure branches, filters for branches, like I want to filter only for master branch. Then we have one or more stages, which are usually environments. So let's just call it dev for now. Once you have this configured, you can go under task, and you will see the task for every environment. So let's say, just to make an example, you added test. Then here you will have dev and test, right? But for now, I don't care about this one, so I want to delete it. I will start just by configure one. And here it's similar to the continuous integration pipeline. You have agent job, one or more agent jobs. And here I just want to, as an example, to archive files. Add. And here I want to show something interesting, is that you can select a folder that was published by continuous integration build. The dist folder. And you can see a preview of what was built. The tar file that is built by Python setup by I as dist command. It's an egg. It's called egg in Python community. So, okay. So we can configure this to archive.zip and with the build ID. This is just an example, but of course you could publish to PyPy as part of this job. Right now I don't want to do it because this is a topic for a next tutorial, but just to let you know that this is the right place to do this kind of operation, because you would, for example, publish to the test instance of Python package index inside a release pipeline, not inside a build pipeline. And for now, as I said, I don't do it. I just want to create a zip. You could also add other operations like web request, depending on the host, bash scripts or PowerShell scripts. You can see there are many options. So for this example, I will just leave something simple, the zipping. As it works for the continuous integration pipelines, you have also here variables. You can add variables depending on the environment. Release will be for every environment. Otherwise, it can be environment specific. I'm not going to dig into details about this topic because there would be really many things to do and to say about variable groups as well. So for now, I'm happy with this example. I'll just save this release definition. I actually forgot, like usual, to give a proper name to this release definition, so I will call it this way. Continuous delivery. And that's all. Now when I go to pipelines, I will see continuous integration under builds and continuous delivery pipelines under releases. And for now, that's all.